Good day, ma'am and sir. Thank you for the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Ivy Mipasi Trasona, 27 years old, from Matanao, Davao del Sur. I am the youngest among 5 siblings. In terms of education, I am a college level. I don't have a experience working abroad, but I worked for 2 years as a housemaid here in the Philippines. I serve 3 people, 2 adults and a 5 years old boy. My main duty to take care of their 5-year-old son. I take him a bath, preparing his food and also his clothes to wear. I also do the household chores like cleaning the house, laundry, ironing, cooking, and washing the dishes. The reason why I want to work in Hong Kong is because they have a lot of career opportunities. A reasonable compensation mandated by law. I would describe myself as an open and honest person. I am hardworking and I'm passionate about my work. And I know how to get a job done. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the opportunity to demonstrate my capability further. Thank you and God bless.